Hey, what's up everyone, this is Lefty Crafty and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be doing unboxing and review of the RGB floodlight. So please stay tuned. The Monococo RGB floodlights. This item comes with 2 pack of 40 watts IP66 floodlights with user manual and remote control. Easy to set up with 1000 different color lights. With 6 kinds of color changing patterns including fade, dim, flash, and strobe. Best choice for outdoor, indoor, or any festival lighting. You can set the working time of the floodlights for 3 hours, 6 hours, and 12 hours. Now let's get ready for the light show. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.